So here's the spreadsheet that you will display every Monday morning during homeroom for your students to see what their teachers are offering for the upcoming week in Smart Block. So what I'm looking at right now is the sixth grade page, but there's a sixth grade page, a seventh grade page, and an eighth grade page. So core teachers, you'll just fill out your grade level page or tab, and elective teachers, you'll have to fill out each page. So you can just copy and paste whatever you do on the sixth grade to the following tab. And I'll talk a little bit more about electives in a second. So if I'm Miss George, all I need to do is go in to each session and just put whether I'm open or closed that day. Um, and that is pretty much it. That's all I have to do. And then what we will do on our side once we start using the spreadsheet is we'll hide the columns that students don't need to see. So the only thing that will be available for them to see is the upcoming week so that there's no confusion about what's going on. So that's pretty much all you need to do. So elective teachers, if you chose, and I'll do Fernandez, if you chose to say that you were open to anyone on a day, and I know Monday's an elective is a priority day, so that's a bad choice. But so if you're open to anyone, you can just click open. And on Tuesday, if you're open only for sixth grade, then you would do open only six, so that when you copy and paste this, so I'll show you how that works in a second. So we'll do open seventh on this day. And please forgive me, I know these are probably not right for priority days and such. But you'll just take, Fernandez, you'll just take yours, you'll copy what you wrote, right click, copy, and you'll go into the next grade level. You'll find your name, right click, paste, and then you're done. And so we want to just make sure that you're specific as to what grade you're open for that day so that everyone knows. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about how this works or what to do, please ask myself or a member of the admin team or a member of the Smart Block committee. Thanks.